Oh, hey.
Can I go?
No, don't reel it in yet. Wait until you get a bite. Anyways, we're at the Little Lost Creek, the bridge downtown.
With Daddy?
It's actually a little flooded. We got a ton of rain yesterday. So I actually did a test run just seeing if there's anything in this dirty water.
Just mail.
And I'll put it at the beginning of the video. I caught a giant bluegill Texas rig with a Senko. So we're going to get at it. And Grayson, you have to catch a bunch of fish, okay? Okay. There he is. He's actually, he doesn't realize he don't have a worm on there. Anyways, yeah, I cut a Senko in half, weightless and dirty flowing water. It's flooded. And then I caught the giant bluegill, which will be at the beginning. I did that. What? Here, let's fix this.
Why?
Oh, here. Reel it in. You got one. You actually had one. Reel that sucker in. Get it up here. Get it up here. Good job, Grayson. You caught a really big creek chub. Look at that.
I know.
I like how you're just staring them down. Is that awesome or what? He's ugly. Did he come off your hook?
Yes.
Oh, you want to throw him back in then? Heck yeah. Okay, you're winning.
Backflips.
Good job, son.
They don't fish with my. Don't fish with my.
Okay. You want me to fish away from you?
Daddy, can we go back to the bridge?
We are at the bridge.
Oh no, we go up to
No, the other one with the football team? Nah. And
Oh, I can't. Oh. I just did this. And it was stuck in my hole in it.
oh, I had a bite. Had a bite. Oh, take it. Take it. What is that? Oh, it's a smallie. If he stops moving. Okay, cool. We're tied. Catching smallies in dirty water. That's awesome, huh?
I don't want to follow you.
You don't want to throw it in? You want me to just throw some in? All right, we're tied at 1. Dirty Creek fishing.
Daddy, please.
What? What? Oh no, we can't go under the bridge. That island's all gone. That's all underwater where me, you, and Maddie stand. All that's underwater.
Oh.
Reel it up. Reel it up. Reel it up. Did you get it? Please help me. Oh, get it. Get it up here. Get it up here. It's another grub. It's another grub. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh, you went all the way to the tip of your pole. Okay. Nice job, Grayson.
I got a cat.
Oh, he yacked it. Okay, well, we're going to have to do surgery. That's 2. Say that's 2. How many you catch?
2.
That's 2. Good job, son. Okay. Well,
Does he have
I got to get the pliers. No, he's not bleeding, so I should, yeah, I'll be able to get it. All right. Pause.
It went under that.
The what?
It went under that wall.
You got no worm on it. You want me to put something on it?
I got the hook on it. I don't got a hook on it.
The hook's at the very tip. You reeled it too far in. It's at the very tip of the pole. You reeled it all the way to the eye. I love his, when he yells about it.
It's all the way over there.
No, it's not. Bring it here. Okay. Oh, good cast. Okay.
I didn't know I was
That ain't what you meant to do? Hey, like
on this bait instead.
like a night crawler?
Like that bait. That kind
Oh,
of
you want
bait.
that lure? Okay, let's do this one more time. And then I'll do that. I'll put that lure on. And my line's tightening up, but
You can catch
today is about him.
and catch a fish.
What? I don't, oh, no, you're gonna catch your fish.
I'm gonna catch a fish for you.
Okay,
You're gonna catch a fish for me.
sounds like a deal.
We should do that.
Oh, you're laughing at me because I got tangled up, huh? Okay, well, we'll see when I land a hog. Okay, so I'm goofing around. Oh, yeah, I'm back to the red reel because the black one's down there in the creek. Yeah, it's not too happy with it. So I'm just putting a night crawler on a worm hook and see what happens.
Mommy.
No, there's not. No, it's a
No,
leaf.
Daddy, go home.
No, what? No, let's not go home yet. Okay, I'm gonna throw under there. That'll be my last attempt at getting something on the using a Texas rig hook of some kind to catch live bait. No, son, please don't. There's just too much traffic right now. No. No. Oh, you know what? I got an idea. Come on. Come on. We can keep an eye on our stuff from up. Yeah. Let's go try it. Come on, bro. Where are you wanting the fish? Okay, I'll throw. You stop right there, okay? Stop right there, okay? Okay, come on, go. I used to catch a bunch of smallmouth right here. Yeah. Okay, let's go back over what we were doing that was working. I don't even think anything's up here. I think all the fish are that way. You want to move that way, Grayson? Way down there towards the road? Yeah. All right, let's do that. Whew. I'll probably switch back to Franco. Okay. Oh. Throw this sucker across the street. That'd be cool, huh? Like, I threw it across the street. Oh, that'd be so awesome. No way. No way. Oh, I caught a fish from across the street. What? No, hey, I caught that from, he was on the other side of the road. Never done that before. That was crazy. I'm gonna do it again.
Is that mine?
You want to throw them in?
Yeah.
Want to throw them in?
Put
All
him
right.
on my bait.
No, I'm not gonna put him on your hook. I'm trying to get him to open his mouth, but he won't. Oh, he's finning me.
I'll throw him in.
Wait, put your finger in his mouth. That one, the thumb. There you go. Throw him in. That was awesome. Oh, so you throw your lure right at him? I'm gonna do that again.
He's gonna get it.
I guess it was over there in that current.
Look, I can do that.
Watch out. Oh, I thought I had another one. I lost one because look at my lure. Look at that, he's trying to. Grayson, I like fishing with you. Even though I end up deleting a lot because Yeah. Oh my God. All right, Grayson, we're gonna see. Come on. Let's see what happens right in here. What do you think will happen right here? Yeah. All right. I think I'm risking it right there. All right, let's go this way. Grab your pole.
Is it big right here?
Yeah. This is where the good fish are. I'm gonna catch a bunch right here. Throw it in there. Oh no, getting bites. There you go. There we go. It doesn't help being hung up with the stick too. So I caught a stick and a smallie. That's pretty good. Okay, bud. Okay, bud. Okay, okay. God, these guys shake so hard.
Wait, I see a footprint.
See a footprint?
Yes, right here. Daddy, look. See footprint.
It's actually a nice one.
This is my footprint.
Grayson, look, another one. You see the stick that's on the pole too? So I caught a stick and a fish, so caught a stick fish. You want to throw them in?
Daddy, look. I see it.
Hey, you want to throw them in? Grayson, hey. Okay, grab him like that. He's got, okay. Here you go, he's gonna fight. Throw him back. Oh! Awesome, thank you. Did you got one? Oh, no way. Reel, hey, reel up. Reel it up. Is he still on there? You caught one with the hair jig?
Yes.
I think it's called a hair jig. Oh, wow. What? What'd you catch? You did that all by yourself.
Yes.
So Grayson actually cast it in, caught it, and got it out all by himself. High five. Wow, that's awesome. You want to throw your fish in? All on this jig that he found. I call it a hair jig. I don't know. I never use
I
it.
got a hair jig.
Okay, okay.
I got a hair jig.
You gonna try to throw them in? Oh, that's okay. You dropped them. So you threw yours in. You threw mine in. You dropped mine, but as you were sitting there, you caught a fish. That's great. I'm impressed.
Look at that. Look at that.
I think that's connected. I'm gonna get my shoe all wet. Ah! Okay. All right, I got it out. So we got the sticks out of the way. So me and him doubled up, Grayson. That's called like a double up. I'm
You and me catch the fish.
I don't even know what to say. Oh,
You and me catch
getting bites, getting bites. Woo, got another one. Did we find the late night juice? Grayson, don't. Hey, bud. It's a deep spot. Another one. Now we're starting to do it. Fishing with my boy. Grayson, look at this.
That's not true.
Dance. Hey, look, you both are dancing. Do it again, dance. I guess the fish is done. You want to throw them in? Want to throw them in? All right. Don't get so close, please. Okay, let's go back in. Oh, I love the dirty water. I've never liked dirty water. as much as I do today, because some of these spots that I overfish, I can see them when it's clear, hasn't rained. Right now I'm just dropping it in, and me and him caught 3 of them in like a minute and a half. 2 were together pretty much, because he had his out when I let him throw the smallmouth back, and then bam! Oh, I missed the hook set. Okay. Grayson, try to get it out there a little more, because them fish are right there by you. Yeah, that could work. What are you trying to do? Watch him come up? You found a quadad? Grab him. I'm just kidding. He'll pinch you. He'll pinch you. I mean, it won't really hurt, but it's probably not an experience you'll like. Dance, Grayson, dance. Why's your butt all muddy and wet? Oh no! All right. That's terrible. Okay. Be careful, son. All right. I think I fixed it. You better be ready. I put the dark lure on. It's getting nighttime. I don't get how it's like really the lights are already coming on across the street. Come on, guys. Come on, another smallie. Grayson wants to reel it in. Oh, he let go. That was tiny though, like, cause. Okay. There's the one more. I wish you were near me. I could have like let you bring this guy in. Just throw it to you? Okay, it's a small amount, little. All right, well, this is the last one of the night. As you can tell, it's getting dark with the... Oh, he's shaking hard. Okay, the last one of the night for the father and son fish off. He was doing well. He took an early lead and then decided to start playing. And then he doubled up with me, so we had a great day. We had fun, huh? All right. Sweet. Hey, quit getting in the puddles. Come on. Come on, let's go. Get in front of me. Whoo. Okay, well, Grayson, did you have fun fishing? Mm-hmm. Me too. We gonna go back again?
We got a bunch of fish.
We got a bunch of fish. Okay, so
We got a bunch.
thank you guys for watching. Grayson, give the camera a fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump the camera.